So you need to make money fast, right? Your bank account is looking sad. You're tired of seeing everyone else online flexing their wins, their Lambos, their vacations, while you're still stuck, grinding at some shitty job you hate, or worse, sitting on the couch, watching other people build the life you want. You want results and you want them yesterday. But here's the brutal truth that nobody wants to tell you. The way you're thinking about this whole thing is completely backwards and it's screwing you over every single day. Let me ask you something real quick. How many hours did you spend this week watching YouTube videos about making money? How many podcasts did you listen to? Be honest with yourself. Now compare that to how many hours you spent doing something. Building a business, reaching out to potential clients, making content, creating an offer, testing something in the real world. Yeah, that's what I thought. You're spending way too much time consuming content and thinking about making $10,000 a month instead of doing what actually needs to be done. And that's why you're still broke. My name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. As a matter of fact, I had my first $1,000 a day at 21 and my first $2,600 a day at 22. And that's cash collected, by the way, not even revenue. So that's why you should listen to what I have to say, because I'm going to show you the quickest way you can actually make money without all the usual bullshit. Look, everyone wants to be an entrepreneur until it's time to do entrepreneur stuff. You'll watch a video about how someone made $1 million, but you won't even spend a few minutes reaching out to 10 potential clients. You'll read every article about the perfect business model, but you won't actually launch anything of your own because you're waiting for everything to be perfect. I'm here to tell you it's never gonna be perfect. The people making the big bucks right now, they're not smarter than you. They're not more talented than you, hell no. They just did the work while you were still researching and thinking about it, waiting for a bonus, waiting for the next pay rise or whatever. If I take my own example, I'm just a kid who grew up in the lower tier of the middle class, who was hungry for more. That's it. So believe me when I say, I didn't have any special advantage that you didn't have. I dealt with so much shit you wouldn't believe. I had no money, no luck, no connections. All I had really was the drive to get me and my family out of hell. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, there's something else that's keeping you stuck, and most people fall for it, but they don't even realize it. This whole mindset of wanting to make money quick is exactly why people fail. Let me explain something to you. The reason you're not making money isn't because you haven't found the right side hustle yet. It's because you have the attention span of a goldfish and you're incapable of building a long-term business. You see some guy on Twitter talking about how he made $20,000 flipping NFTs and suddenly you're all in on crypto. You put all your savings into it and then it crashes and burns so fast. Now you're watching videos about day trading. Then that doesn't work, you lose more money, so you're on to dropshipping, then Amazon FBA, then print on demand, then whatever the next shiny object is. You're constantly chasing the hype, the shiny objects, instead of building a real business focusing on the fundamentals. And every time you jump to the next thing, you're starting from zero again, with no momentum, no skills that carry over, just a pattern of failures that keep repeating itself over and over again, also lowering your self-esteem, because now you start to doubt everything. This is the exact mindset that has people losing everything in pump and dump schemes. They see something going up fast and they think they can get in and get out and make quick money. But that's just gambling. That's not building wealth or a business. And if you can't commit to something for longer than 3 weeks, then yeah, you're gonna stay broke. I'm sorry to say it. But okay, I know what you're thinking. You actually do need money soon. You can't wait 5 years to get results. I get it. I couldn't either. So let me give you the actual answer. The quickest way to make real money online, like legitimate money that you can depend on, is to sell a high-ticket consulting or service around a painful problem for a specific niche in one of the 3 big markets. And those 3 markets are health, wealth, or relationships. That's it. Everything else is secondary. Let me break down why this is extremely important. You need to solve a painful problem. Not a nice to have, not something that's sort of kind of annoying. I'm talking about a painful problem that keeps people up at night. For example, helping executives and entrepreneurs get in shape without giving up the foods they love or spending hours stuck in the gym every day. That's health. or helping people invest in the stock market so they can retire peacefully and not work until they're 90. That is wealth. Or help lonely men find and date women so they're not miserable and all alone. That's relationships. Notice I said painful problem. Now, why does it need to be painful? Because that is what people actually need, and that's what they won't pay real money for, not just $10. You have to understand this. People don't need your crappy $10 ChatGPT workout plan ebook that took you an hour to make. They need real solutions to real problems that are actually affecting their lives right now. And they won't pay hundreds or thousands of dollars for that. But you need to offer real, tangible value for this to happen. High ticket means you charge real money, not $50, not $100. I'm talking at least $1,000. It's the bare minimum. But ideally, $2,000, $5,000 or even more per client. Why? Because it's so much easier to make $10,000 a month with 5 clients at $2,000 each than it is to make $10,000 selling 100 clients something for $100. Less clients usually means less problems to deal with, less support, more time to actually deliver results and make your clients happy, which in turns they'll give you testimonials and you can convince more people to become customers and help those people too. So everybody wins. Now, here's where everyone gets stuck. You have this offer, you know what you're selling, but how do you actually get clients for it and how do you get them quick? After all, we want to make money quickly, we don't want to wait. There are 2 ways that fit this criteria: outreach or paid ads. That's it. Forget about randomly going viral on TikTok. Forget about building a massive following first. That stuff is great for the long term, but if you need money right now, you need to do these things, sure, but you also need methods that are quick and predictable. Outreach means you're actively reaching out to potential clients. There's warm outreach, which means outreach to people who've already interacted with your content before. They know who you are. They've watched your videos or read your posts. You slide in their DMs, message them if you have their number, or you send them an email and you start a conversation. More people will reply because they trust you more. Then there's cold outreach, which is reaching out to complete strangers who don't know you at all. You find people who fit your ideal client profile and you message them with something that's actually valuable and relevant to them. Paid ads mean you're running Facebook ads or Instagram ads or Google or YouTube ads. You're putting money behind your offer in front of the right people. It's so much quicker than organic. It's extremely scalable. You can make tens of millions with that. And if you do it right, it's predictable. You know that if you spend $100 on ads, you make $300 back. That's how you grow fast. Now the con is that they cost a lot of money up front. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about organic content? What about just posting on social media and building an audience? Look, organic is great. I'm not saying don't do it. I do it every day. Organic builds trust. You need to do it. It gets you clients for free. It establishes you as an authority in the niche. But unlike paid ads, it's not quick and it's not controllable or predictable. You have no way to know if your next video is going to get 1,000 views or 10 views. I can't ever predict it before I publish. You don't know if someone's going to see it and reach out. And that sucks because in business you want predictability. You want to know that if you put in X effort or X dollars, you're going to get Y results and Y amount of money. So if you need money fast, you need to be doing outreach and paid ads while you're also building your organic presence. That's how you stack the deck in your favor. That's how you actually make things happen instead of just hoping and praying that the almighty algorithm chooses to bless you. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, here is something most people ignore, and this is probably the most important thing I'm gonna say in this entire video, so pay attention. The way you'll make money the fastest is by knowing exactly what you need to do, having a proven step-by-step roadmap to follow, not guessing, not figuring it out as you go, following a system that actually works. And the only way that's gonna happen is by learning from people who've already done the things you want to do. This is where you need to invest in your education, join courses, get coaching, work with mentors. Yeah, it costs money, sure, but you know what costs you more? Wasting 8 months or a year or 5 years trying to figure everything out by yourself and getting nowhere, losing tens of thousands of dollars in the process. You don't know what you don't know. That's the problem. If you already knew, how to make $10,000 a month online, then you would have done it already. The fact that you haven't made it yet means there's something that's missing. Some skill you don't have, or some strategy you don't understand, some blind spot you just can't see. And the fastest way to fill those gaps is to learn from someone who's already where you want to be, who's gotten the results you want to have. Stop being fucking cheap with your education and your future. You only get one shot at this life. Are you gonna waste it? I see people who will spend $300 on headphones or going out on the weekends, concerts, but they won't even invest $300 in a course that could change their entire life. That's why they stay stuck. Broke people have a broke people mindset and they stay poor. So here is what you need to do. Stop watching endless videos. Pick one thing, one offer in one of the 3 big markets that solves a specific painful problem for a group of people, a niche. Create that offer. Make it high ticket, at least $1,000. Then start posting content around this painful problem. Make videos on how to lose weight if you help people lose weight. And then reach out to potential customers. Run some ads if you can invest thousands of dollars up front. And invest in learning from someone who's already done it so you're not wasting time, years of your life and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars figuring out stuff that's already been figured out. That's it. That's how you make money fast. It's not about finding some secret hack. It's not about getting lucky. But by doing the actual work that needs to be done and doing it with a proven, predictable system. That's what I did myself. And that's what allowed me to go from being a broke kid to making thousands of dollars a day in profit in my early 20s. If you want to discover exactly how I've done this, I've made a free training for you, and I'm going to share the only 3 keys you need to make this happen. The link is in the description below. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you get started. We'll help you get your first customers ASAP by giving you a custom step-by-step process. And it works even if you have limited time or money. Now be quick, we have very, very limited spots for that. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.